Imagine this. You're in a high-stakes meeting, presenting your game-changing idea. The room is silent, all eyes on your slides. But instead of captivating your audience, your deck is a chaotic mess of cartoonish clip art, rainbow colors, and bullet points that read like a grocery list. Your message? Fade away. We've all been there. Today, we're flipping the script. Welcome to slide design that sells the message, not the clip art. I'm here to show you how to create slides that don't just inform, they persuade, inspire, and close deals. Let's dive in. First off, let's address the elephant in the room, or should I say, the dancing elephant clip art on your title slide. Clip art might seem harmless, even fun. It's that stock image of a light bulb for ideas or a handshake for partnerships. But here's the truth. Clip art doesn't sell your message, it distracts from it. Think about it. When was the last time a generic cartoon convinced you to invest in a startup? Never. Research from presentation experts like Nancy Duart shows that visual clutter reduces retention by up to 40%. Your audience's brains are wired for simplicity. Overload them, and they tune out. Picture a slide pitching a new app. That version, a background of swirling clouds, clip art phones everywhere, and text crammed in Comic Sans. It's like chatting in a crowded room, no one hears you. Good version, a single, high-impact photo of a user smiling at their phone, with one bold headline, traps from your day. That sells the dream, not the decoration. So, how do we fix this? Start with principle one. Simplicity is power. Strip away the fluff. Ask yourself, does this element amplify my message, or is it just filler? Steve Jobs mastered this in his iconic keynotes. His slides, often just one word, one image, no clip art in sight. Why? Because simplicity creates focus. Your brain processes visuals 60,000 times faster than text, but only if they are not competing. Here's a tip. Use the rule of thirds from photography. Divide your slide into a grid and place key elements at the intersections. No more centering everything like it's a middle school poster. And colors. Stick to a palette of three, one for background, one for accents, one for text. Ditch the rainbow unless you're presenting on Skittles. Remember, simplicity isn't boring, it's strategic. It lets your message shine. Next time you're tempted to add that cute icon, pause and think, is this selling my idea or just filling space? Moving on to principle two, hierarchy guides the eye. Not all information is created equal, so don't treat it that way. Your slide should lead the viewer on a journey, like a well-directed movie. The star, your core message, supporting actors, data and visuals that back it up. Start with size, make your headline massive, dominate the slide. Subpoints, smaller, but still readable from the back row. Use bold for emphasis, italics for quotes, and white space. It's not empty space, it's breathing room that makes your content pop. Avoid the wall of text syndrome. Break it up with icons, but wait, not clip art. Use purposeful, custom graphics. For example, if you're showing growth, a simple upward arrow chart beats a clip art tree any day. Tools like Canva or PowerPoint's Designer can help, but always customize. Hierarchy sells by making your message impossible to miss. Now, principle three, visuals that tell a story. Clip art is lazy storytelling that's generic, forgettable. Instead, choose visuals that evoke emotion and reinforce your narrative. A photo of a frustrated customer for a problem slide? Gold. A graph showing 300% ROI? Even better. Data visualization is key here. Ditch pie charts for bar graphs if you're comparing. Use line charts for trends. And color code wisely: red for warnings, green for growth. But here's the pro move. Animate subtly. Have elements fade in as you speak, syncing with your voiceover. It builds suspense. Contrast this with clip art, a stick figure holding a sign. It says nothing. A real photo of a team collaborating. It sells unity and trust. Stories stick, clip art slips away. Let's apply this. Suppose you're pitching eco-friendly packaging. Bad slide, clip art earth with a smiley face. Good slide, a stark image of plastic waste in the ocean, overlaid with your solution stats. That doesn't just inform, it motivates action. Of course, pitfalls abound. Pitfall 1, font frenzy. Mixing 5 fonts is like wearing polka dots with stripes distracting. Stick to 2, a sans serif for body like Arial, serif for headlines like Times New Roman. Pitfall 2, animation overload. Flying text and spinning clip art. It's 1990s cheese. Use subtle transitions only. Pitfall 3, ignoring mobile viewers. With remote work, slides get viewed on phones. Test for responsiveness. Ensure text is legible, images scale. And the biggest, forgetting your audience. Tailor visuals to them. Executives want data, creatives want inspiration. To avoid these, prototype early. Share drafts with colleagues for feedback. Remember, your slide isn't the star you are. It should complement your words, not compete. Let's see this in action with real-world examples. Take a sales pitch slide. Before clip art handshake, bullet points galore, neon background, message lost in noise. After clean white space, one powerful quote, partner with us for 50% faster growth, paired with a testimonial photo. And sales message sold. Another, a training deck. Before, cartoon characters explaining steps. Cute, but confusing. After, step-by-step icons with minimal text, each building on the last. Learners retain more, act faster. These transformations aren't magic, they are method. Tools like Keynote or Google Slides make it easy. Invest time here, and your presentations will convert skeptics into believers. Ready for actionable tips. Tip 1, start with your why. Simon Sinek style: lead with purpose, then visuals. Tip 2, use metaphors wisely. A slide showing a rocket launch for skyrocketing profits. If it's custom, yes. Flip art rocket, no. Tip 3, practice the 5-second test. Show your slide for 5 seconds. Does the message stick? If not, simplify. Tip 4, incorporate calls to action. End slides with bold CTAs like join the Trabs formation today. And tip 5, evolve with trends. Minimalism is in, maximalism is out. Study TED Talks, emulate their clean designs. In conclusion, slide design isn't about pretty pictures or clip art flair. It's about selling your message with clarity, purpose, and power. Ditch the distractions, embrace simplicity, and watch your ideas take flight. You've got the tools. Now go create decks that don't just present, they persuade. What's one change you'll make to your next slide? Until next time, design boldly, sell brilliantly, no.